Hey guys, welcome back. I've got another tutorial Tuesday for y'all today. We are doing a shimmery soft pink look with a 3/4 cut crease. Y'all have been asking for a lot more eye looks, so I've got them coming for you. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you've ever tried to do a cut crease yourself. I know it was a really big trend for a while. It's starting to fade out a little bit, but we're seeing it in a lot more wearable looks now instead of the really bold fashion look. So I want to hear what your experience is with a cut crease. For those of you who are thinking, what the heck is a cut crease? It's where you see the line, and it's basically like an illusion of a crease that you create with makeup. It can be kind of challenging because it's a little bit like freehand drawing in some cases, especially for me because I have hooded eyes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I create that step by step. I of course use the waterproof SeneGence product line for this look, but you can use whatever you already have at home in similar shades. If you did want to snag any of the products I used today, you can shop the link in my description. Let me know what you guys think of this studio setup. It's a little bit different than my past videos. Leave me a comment and let me know. I know we struggled with the lighting in the past few, and that is because of the white backdrop, so I think we're gonna do colored backdrops from now on. So let me know what colors you wanna see. All right guys, keep watching to see how to create this soft pink shimmery cut crease. First, I'm starting off with Whisper Pink ShadowSense. This is a neutral, light pink, cream to powder waterproof shadow. You can pretty much use any primer for this, but I prefer to use a pigmented primer like the ShadowSense because it evens out the skin tone of the lid and gives you a even playing field to work with. Next, with a mid-tone neutral pink, I'm using Mulberry ShadowSense. I'm going in the entire crease and the outside V of the eye, just really lightly giving that nice base for this cut crease look. If you have hooded eyes like me, don't be afraid of going slightly above your natural crease. This will actually create a more open look for the eyes in general. Be sure not to go too far down with this product or else you'll have a hard time carving out the crease and you'll actually have to remove some shadow to do so. I'm gonna use the same color on my bottom lash line. I actually like to take my shading brush and squish it into a little line, then just sweep it across the bottom lash line. Next, I'm carving out the crease with Whisper Pink ShadowSense. This is a light pink. It's almost white, so this is gonna be creating the base for the cut crease look. I like to put it on the edge of my lid and then open my eye to create kind of a outline for me to follow since I have hooded eyes. There are tons of different hacks for this. I've seen a little bit of everything, so just find something that works for you. This is technically gonna be a 3/4 cut crease, so it's gonna go almost to the outside edge of my eye, but not quite. It's not a full cut crease because it's not closing off the entire crease. On top of this, I'm layering Dusk Shimmer ShadowSense. This is kind of a sheer color, so you can go straight on the lid. This is a really pretty shimmer to it, and I'm making sure not to go too close to that edge of the cut crease because I still want there to be a definite edge that's that light pink tone. I'm just using a shading brush here to pack in that dusk shimmer and apply it to my bottom lash line as well. Next, I'm using Sandstone Pearl Glitter. You might notice the tube is not labeled. That's because it was sent to me before it actually released since I was in the campaign. So the technique I'm using here is apply the product to the back of your hand and then rub, and you're gonna be left behind with just the glitter. And I'm doing the same thing with rose gold glitter. So I'm just layering the two to create a really pretty gold glitter look. Really quick, I'm just gonna emphasize that line between the glitter area and the crease with pink opal shimmer. This is just going to make sure that they don't blend into each other. I'm tightlining my eyes with Black Brown Eye Sense. This is gonna be along the top waterline. I'm not actually doing any on the bottom waterline today. Are you guys proud of me? Now just a coat of mascara before we throw on some lashes, and we're almost done. I'm using a pair of fluffy, cruelty-free mink lashes to finish off this look. Last but not least, I'm breaking out the pink opal shimmer again just to put a little highlight under the brow bone. And here's the finished look. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think this look should be named. I'll pick my favorite and post it on my Instagram. This is one of my favorites so far, I think, and I'm loving the lip combo with it. It's actually Sunstone Lip Sense with Java Gloss, two super pretty limited edition shades that released this past year. All right, guys, our viewer of the week is Hey girl, thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. Remember to be viewer of the week. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment on my most recent video, and then you too can be featured and get a shout out at the end of my video. Make sure you guys go show her some love in the comments. Maybe next time it'll be you. I have a huge surprise coming for you guys soon, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on it. All right guys, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. If you guys haven't seen my most recent YouTube video yet, you can click the link on the right to check it out and catch a sneak preview right after this. And of course, click below to subscribe to my channel.